Hey guys, welcome back to Chef the Soul TV News. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. So befethu lana we've been looking forward to recovery yakhe uMakhathi. So abantu abaningi bayibuza ukuthi ke ngabe uMakhathi sithini status sakhe when it comes to health yakhe currently. So others are asking ukuthi is she getting better, and the answer is yes. Makhathi is recovering after her car accident on the 31st of December 2025. She has been discharged from the hospital and also shared her first recovery photo and announced she will take a 10-week break from performing to heal properly. So abanye ke bebeyibuza bafethu ukuthi ke ngabe ke i-accident le yamehlekalela nini uMakhathi. Lena ke sesike sayisho ngomhla 31 and wase ke eya ke esibhedlela. She was admitted lapha ke lapha ngomhla 31 as well. So and shared her first hospital photo kusukela ke ngomhla 5 January njalo. So ukudisajwa kwakhe uMakhathi was confirmed and she has been discharged and is now recovering khona lapha ke ekhaya. Sikuthatha lokho ke ku Sunday World uma siqhubeka kodwa nalo daba. Recovery plan yakhe ke uMakhathi odokotela ke ordered a 10-week break ukuthi ke engayi ke performa ukuze ezokwazi ke ukululama kahle njengoba nibona nakhona ke emavidweni ahlukahlukene. uMakhathi ke wadlulisa ke noma ke uyewadlulisa amazwi ke suka kuyena ke uqobo ebonga ke ama fans across South Africa and also Africa yonkana for their support, calling this one of the most difficult periods of her life. In her message she reassured ukuthi ke ama supporters ke ukuthi uzoba right. Yena ke uyisosha ke njengoba ke eye wagcizelela ke khona lapha ke ukuthi yena she will bounce back njengoba ke sahlelwe ilento emehlele kodwa ke angeke aze give up. She promised to keep fans updated on her healing journey. That's why ke nibona lama video noma ke lezi thombe eziloke eziphushwa zisharwa kancane kancane. It's her content, it's her journey. What it means for uMakhathi noma ke ama fans kaMakhathi ke ukulimala kwakhe kusho ukuthi ke there are no performances until mid-March. Ungawo ke u2026 upcoming shows postponed, as well as social media ke uzoloke u-update njalo. I-response yawo ke umphakathi kodwa ke when it comes to ukulimala kwakhe ke uMakhathi, we all know ukuthi ke uMzansi noma ke sizothi ke Mzansi fans flooded her post with prayers and also encouragement after ke seeing her hospital photo, and also ke some highlighted ukuthi ke lapha kuma comments batshengisa ke ukuthi ke konke ke kunesikhathi sakho namanje njoba ke kwenzeke lokho kwenzekalile akusho ukuphela ke kwempilo noma ke ukuphela ke kwethemba nesupport kuma fans akhe ke azwelana naye. Her fan base uMakhathi ke lapha ke ebizwa ngeCathinators have rallied strongly, showing solidarity during her break. So bafowethu mina ke engakujabulela ukuthi ke ngizwe nina ke uvulweni kumayelana nerecovery kaMakhathi ukuthi ke do you guys think uzoshesha ngempela ke abe right and then futhi ke abuyele ke esimeni sokuthi ke uyaqhubeka nokujabulisa ke ama fans wakhe. We all wish ukuthi ke abe right. At the same time ke bafowethu ke don't forget to subscribe to this channel, niqhubeke niphile njalo kuphi nakuphi ke khona la eNingizimu Afrika. Danko.